These are supposed to be original Apple Airpod Pro 2s from AliExpress. It said it didn't come with original box and they're priced around £44. Here you can see the serial number, which has the same serial number on both AirPods. But there should be a different serial number on each AirPod. It should have its own serial number. But I didn't notice anything out of the ordinary about the case. The next thing I was looking for is whether the grills were plastic or metal, but they did have a metal mesh. You can see a line where the two halves join, as well as some dents. It doesn't look like it was made very well. You'd expect to see a smoother finish. You can see the serial number at the bottom. Now here I tried to pull off the tip to change it to another size, and on the real ones they should pull off easily enough. Here you'll see they really don't want to come off. I pull it so hard it pulls apart. There you can see I broke the AirPods on camera just testing them out. So a good way is looking at whether the tips come off easily or whether they're really tight like this. Now before I broke an AirPod, I did manage to connect them to my phone and they seemed to work okay, but there was like a constant ringing in the left ear. So I could hear there was a constant sound. I knew that didn't sound right. And when recording my voice, the microphone sounded awful. Here's the ad on AliExpress. Here you see it says original Apple AirPods. There are 3 different types to choose from. 100% positive feedback apparently. 100% genuine it says. It makes you think that they've not got the box because it's not brand new, so you believe you're getting a second-hand pair of real genuine Apple AirPods when you're not. Once this seller gets enough bad review, he ends up just deleting the account and creating a new one. And the seller uses the same photos and the same layout, but just with a different store number. When contacting the seller, they don't reply to any of your messages. When messaging AliExpress about the seller and all my issues, I sent videos and photos showing they were fake, but they seem to be on the seller's side on that one. When you go on the Find My app, you're supposed to be able to play a sound so that you could search your AirPods if they were lost. But when the AirPods are in the case, they don't make a sound. Here you can see when I'm connected to the AirPods, I could change the settings just fine. And at the bottom you'll see the serial number, and it says it has Apple Care in date. So do yourself a favour and don't buy from AliExpress because they're likely to be fake.